Google is spreading banana all over the world. Since the beginning of the launch of Nano Banana, everybody's talking about it. And today we're going to look at how Nano Banana has been integrated into NotebookLM. If you're ready, let's get right into it. So if you're not familiar with NotebookLM, this is the interface. If you arrive at this point, the first thing you're going to see is you'll be requested to add your sources. I've already added my sources. I got these two links from the internet that talks about the Google messages and Nano Banana being integrated into the NotebookLM. So, having done that, what I need to do next is to just go overview, go to the other side of it. And over this side, you're going to see the video overview, audio overview. Just to make an illustration, in case you want to do the audio, you're just going to click the pencil icon if you want to specialize it. When you click the pencil icon, it's going to ask you whether you want the standard deep dive. The deep dive here is going to give you, if it's set on the default is going to give you about 20 minutes of audio recording. If you don't want this and you want a brief, you can select the brief. The brief is going to be different. If you want a critique, you can just go with critique. If you want a debate, you can set a debate. Then if you want to customize it, you can also type exactly what you want. Maybe you want it to focus on a specific aspect of the source that you've provided. If you want it shorter, you can select shorter. If you want it longer, you can select longer. I'm just leaving it in the default, although I'm not doing any audio in this video. This is just for illustration purposes. I'm going to close it. Another thing I'm going to tell you for for NotebookLM, you also have the opportunity to do the mind map. Supposing I want to do the mind map for this, if you click here, for instance, it will start generating the mind map for you, which is very simple. And boom, it's already done. So when you click on it now, see what comes up here. It's going to show me an overview of what the message is all about. That's Google's Nano Banana AI image explained. It shows, when you click on it, it shows the mind map, like what AI powered tools can do, the aka the Gemini 2.5 flash image. If you click on this, you're going to see how this thing works. This is it, and this is it. But that's not why we're here. I'm going to close it back and go back to the Google Studio. The next thing you can do if you are using the NotebookLM is you have to, if you want to do the quiz section, you can select the quiz section. If you want to customize it, you have the option to click here as well. You can type what you want here. If you want fewer, you can select fewer. If you want to leave it on standard, you can put it on standard. You can select hard question. You can select medium question. If you want the easy type, you can also select the easy type over here. So that's just that. If you want to do reports, you can also click here to generate reports. For instance, the subject that we have, the Nano Banana subject, if I want a report of it, I can just easily click here to generate reports. And for the report as well, I have options. If you want to create your own report, you can just customize it by typing the areas that you want you want the NotebookLM to focus on while writing the report for you. And if you want to go on the default setting, you can just ask Nano Banana. I don't know why I keep saying Nano Banana. You can ask NotebookLM to give you a brief report about this. If you want the report to be a kind of a guide, you can ask as well NotebookLM to give you a guide on what you need to do here. If you want it to be like a blog post, you can also click on this section and ask NotebookLM to give you the blog post. So it depends on what you want. It's very self-explanatory. You can see the images here. I'll close it. Now, coming to the big deal, that is the main thing that we are here to do. I would like you to look at this. Now we're coming to the video overview. When you click on video overview, first of all, let me close it. You can see a little message on top here that's saying Nano Banana in video overview. Try it with the new style. So it means it's been integrated now. So if you click on the pencil icon, if you want to leave it on auto select, it's going to select the best image or the best graphic for you. If you want to make changes to it, there are several versions. If you want it like whiteboard animation, you can click on this one. It's going to give you whiteboard animation. If you want a classic, you click on this classic. If you want it to be retro, you can click on retro. If you want it to be in the heritage version, you can click on heritage. If you want papercraft, you can click on papercraft, and so on. If you want the anime, you can click on this section and you're going to get the anime. So these are the options you have. At this point in time, just for this explanation, I'm not going to select any of these. I'm going to leave it at auto select. Or let's start with the last one, which is the anime. I'm going to click the anime version of it, and I'm not going to change anything. If you want to make your changes, you could just type here what you want it to focus on. But I'm not typing, I'm not focusing on anything. I just want to generate. I just click on the icon and say generate. Are you going to work the magic weapon? You see it here, over here. It's rotating, it's giving you exactly what you want. So with that, we're going to come back when the thing is ready. Now the recording is done, so let's check it out. As you click the button, you're going to see the video, and let's see the sample of what we've got. It took some time because I choose the anime version. Now this is what you're going to see. Let me just play it.
All right, let's talk about this. There's a new AI tool, and honestly, it has a pretty weird name that's about to pop up everywhere on your phone.
Just to explain, if you want to maximize the video to make it full screen, you got the option here for full screen. So I'm going to play the full screen version for you to see exactly how it looks like.
It's called Nano Banana, and what we're going to do is break down its quiet but super fast takeover. Let's get into it.
And yes, you heard that right. Google is going completely bananas for AI. But listen, this isn't just, another app you have to go download from the store. No. This is a huge strategic shift. We're talking about weaving AI right into the fabric of the Google products you probably use every single day.
Okay, so what in the world is Nano Banana? I know, it sounds like something you'd feed a tiny pet, right? But it's actually one of Google's most powerful new creative AI tools. So let's define what we're talking about here. So, Nano Banana is basically the friendly public-facing name for the beast of an engine running underneath it all, which is the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. And here's the cool part. It's not just about creating images from scratch with a text prompt. Where it really shines, the thing that's making people take notice, is its ability to take a photo you already have and just completely transform it.
And just to give you a sense of scale here, this is not some small niche experiment. I mean, get this. In the Gemini app alone, people have already generated over 5 billion images with this tech. That number is just staggering, right? It totally proves how powerful and popular it is, and it's exactly why Google is now...
All right, you've seen it for yourself that this image is very bright, and the video quality is something that we can be proud of, something that you can probably remix and put on YouTube or any other social media app out there. So this is just an overview that we've just shown you today, that you can use the Nano Banana in image generation in the video overview of NotebookLM. This is a fantastic move that Google has taken in integrating this world-class image generation software into another Google product of NotebookLM. I like the move. I don't know what you think about it. If you think this is a very nice move, I would like to see your comment or see your opinion on the comment section. And if you like this video, I would like you to subscribe to our channel and stay updated when we drop similar videos like this. For the time being, take care and bye for now.